What up, my sexy welding people from YouTube? This is your captain, Manny. Today's video, guys, we're gonna do a 5G. This is a 6-inch pipe, Schedule 40 coupons that I have right here. We're gonna clean this pipe real good, put a nickel landing on it, and I'm probably gonna do 60-10 root and 60-10 hot pass and 60-10 fill and 80-10 cap. So I think that's what I'm gonna do right now for you guys to see. And beautiful day here in Arizona. It's like 70 degrees, so we might sweat a little bit, but it's all right. So without further ado, guys, let's get to it. All right, my sexy welding people from YouTube. It's getting hot. I'm sweating. So we're gonna take a little break and we're gonna make a mojito. All right. Whew, man, I'm sweating myself. I'm gonna take this jacket off because it's hot. It's very hot. Oh my god. All right. Put this here. All right, guys, so this is how Captain Manny makes his mojitos. All right, you grab a lime and you just squish it like that. All right, so you can make it loose, you know. We cut this thing right here, right there. Make sure you take the sticker out of there. All right, this is pre-washed lemon lime. All right, you cut it in 4 pieces. You cut it in 4 pieces, guys, and then put it on the glass like so. Right there, we have a fresh mint. We're gonna grab 8. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys. All right, guys, now we got a spoon of sugar. All right, put one in there, and then we're gonna smash the lemon. Now mix the sugar with the lemon. Make sure you don't go crazy smashing it, right? Because you don't want that sour from the skin of the lime to get out and ruin your beverage. All right. Now it's nice and smashed. All right. Now you're supposed to use some rum. You're supposed to use some rum, Bacardi or whatever. But right now, I don't have any. So just put, you're supposed to put like 32 ounces. So I just put a little bit like that. All right. Then you put some ice. Smash it real quick. All right. Put it in there. And then you put some mineral water in there. Woo! Damn. And you stir your mojito a little bit. Ah, damn. And then if you want to garnish it with piece of lean, and if you have some leaves left, just drop in them there. That's it. All right, guys, we're gonna take a little break, and then we're gonna go back and cap that pipe. We're gonna let it cool down. But for now, take a little break, guys. Enjoy life. All right. Delicious. All right, my sexy welding people from YouTube, that was it for today's video, guys. We're finishing capping this 6-inch pipe 7018. It came out right, tie in good, everything looks good. So I hope you guys enjoyed that mojito recipe. It was a good, refreshing drink. It was getting hot, guys. Here in Arizona it's like 85 degrees right now. And when you have small coupons like this, it's good to let it cool down after you do the root and hat and fill. It's good to let it cool down. So I hope you guys enjoy that mojito. If you guys gonna do it right now, I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.